you need to enter the control panel, which is located at yourdomainname.com/wp admin. Or if you installed your blog in a directory, you simply add your directory, such as blog/wp-admin. But in this case, I installed it directly in the domain name. So now I need to log in. And I'm now in the WordPress dashboard where I can start customizing and adding new blog posts. How to add and edit links. If you take a look at this example, you'll see the blog role. These are the default WordPress links. Now to change all these links or delete them, simply go to your WordPress dashboard, go to the links section, and let's go to all links. We don't need any of these links. We want to feature our own links. So what I would do is select all, and let's delete all of them. The first thing I want to do is go to link categories. I don't want to call my category blog role. As you can see, blog role. I want to call it resources. So what I would do is add a new category called resources. Now I add new link category, and now you can see it here. Now I would add a new link and call this link Top Golf Resources, and then enter a web address. The description is not necessary, and then select the category you want it to be placed in. I just created resources. I'm going to click resources. Now you can add the target. Blank will open in a new tab, top will open in the current window or tab with no frames, and none will open it in the same window. I would recommend you open it in the new window. We don't need any of these options, so we're just going to scroll back on top and click Add Link. So now it says link added. If I refresh my blog, you'll see the link section here, and here's my link, Top Golf Resources. That's a clickable link, which goes to the website I specified when I added a new link. If you don't see the link section on your blog, that means that you haven't activated the links. To do so, go to Appearance, go to Widgets, and make sure that the links widget is added in one of these widget areas. If you don't see it, then you'll see available widgets on the left side here, and then you simply drag it to the area you'd like. How to add and edit users to your blog. You can control the permissions of users in your WordPress blog. To do so, go to your WordPress dashboard and you'll see a section called Users. You can view all users by clicking All Users. Currently there's just one user. Let's say I want to add an editor or a writer to the blog. All I need to do is add a new user, enter a username, an email, and fill in the rest of the details including the password. You can also send the password to this user. This section called Role gives access levels to the user. In this drop-down menu, you've got Subscriber, Administrator, Editor, Author, and Contributor. A subscriber is only allowed to read your blog posts and pages. An administrator has full control over the blog. An editor can edit blog posts and pages. And an author can write new blog posts. And lastly, a contributor can add to a current blog post. So I'm going to give this user an author role and simply click Add New User. And now I'm done. I can easily edit users by clicking Edit under the name. So if I want to give this user a new role, such as an administrator, I can do so and click How to add an image to a blog post or page. Under the Post section, select your post. I'm going to edit this blog post. And I want to add an image in between these lines here. At the top of the editor, you'll see Upload Insert. What you want to do is add an image, which is this little icon here. It'll bring up the image tool. Now you have several options here. You can select from your computer, you can select from a URL, your gallery, or media library. For this example, I'm going to select it from my hard drive. So this is the image I want to insert. Click Open. And now it's uploading, and now it's finished. I can name this image and an alternate text. And now you can also link the image to a URL. I don't want the link to go to the image again, so I'll just remove this. You can also align the image the way you want. We can select left, center, right, or none. I'm going to select center. and then choose a size, the full size image, large, medium or thumbnail version. I'm going to select the full size. What you want to do next is not click save all changes, but instead insert into post. And now you can see it's inserted. If I click update, it should update the blog post with the image. And now let's view the post. And now you can see the image centered here. We can also edit the image once it's in place. Simply click on the image once and you'll see this option here called Edit Image. This will bring the image settings. And now I can change the size of the image as well using this here. I can also go to Advanced Settings, where I can add a border and spacing and all these other advanced settings. So that's how to add an image to a blog post. How to add a contact form. With any site, you want your customers or readers to be able to contact you. And as you can see, this blog example has no Contact Us form. So to add one, we need to install a plugin. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress blog. Inside, go to Plugins and go to Add New. And what you want to search for is Fast Secure Contact Form. This is the particular plugin you need to add a contact form. There are other plugins you can use, but this one's very simple and easy to install. So once you've searched, you'll find a Fast Secure Contact Form. Simply install now. Press OK. And now you can activate the plugin. You can see now a Fast Secure Contact Form is in the installed plugins. What we need to do next is go to FS Contact Form Options. Here are the options. You can customize the form using these fields here. The most important is the email address. So when someone submits their query using your contact form, this is the email address that it'll send to. So make sure this email address is correct. There are other options here you can customize. Just take a look at them and see what you like. Once you've finished customizing, make sure you save it. And then the next thing is to copy this shortcode here. As you can see, SI contact form equals 1. I'm just going to copy that. And what we need to do next is go to Pages. We need to create a new page called Contact Us. So I'm going to call this Contact Us. And the next thing you want to do in this field here, make sure you've selected HTML view instead of visual so you can insert the code. Next we can just publish. We can now view the page. And as you can see, the Contact Us is now featured on our navigation bar here. And this is the Contact Us page. And that's all there is to it.